Hi, this is Chris Discotto with Salamander Designs, and I'm here at AVI Systems in Phoenix, and they have a beautiful showroom. I'm going to go in and talk to Matt Yenter, who's the Area Vice President, about this showroom and the Microsoft Teams room filled with Salamander products that they have here in Phoenix. Hi, Matt.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing good, doing good. Thanks for having me. Appreciate
Absolutely. Nice to have you.
Yeah, thanks. This is a beautiful showroom that you have here in Phoenix. Tell us a little bit about how you use this showroom.
Yeah, so we're super happy to have this space and super happy about all of our manufacturers who pitched in to help bring this space into reality. Each one of these rooms is purpose-built, and we bring clients in here to show them different options we can put together. For example, this is our signature Velocity room with a 21:9 screen, purpose-built seating for direct collaboration between teams. So we get to take clients and architects and general contractors and anybody else through each space and show them specific technology, specific furniture, custom built for each space.
Great. And of course, this room is all Salamander, and then the chairs are human scale, which are absolutely really comfortable as well. Tell us a little bit more about this space and why Salamander was chosen.
Salamander was chosen because they've got a one-stop shop for everything you need in this space. You're right about the chairs. They are very comfortable. And when you get to long meetings, there's just one thing that needs to be well done in a room, and that is good chairs and charging for your phone. So what's nice about this table is it's built for collaboration. You've got wireless charging built in. You've got acoustic panels built in. This panel right here, this credenza right here can host equipment for us, or we don't have to have a rack in the room or separately. This 105-inch display is also completely freestanding. It took no wall construction at all to support this. And so it's just an all-in-one solution. It makes it simple for clients to make good decisions.
Yeah, and this room is absolutely beautiful. This cabinet, yeah, so this is a pretty heavy display. It's probably about 130 pounds, 140 pounds.
If not more.
This cabinet's only 12 inches deep. It is actually UL listed to hold a 400-pound display with just those drywall anchors, which is pretty cool.
Yep.
So Matt, thank you so much for having me here. Beautiful showroom, really appreciate it. If you want to know anything more, just go to salamandercommercial.com to learn about everything we offer. Thank you.